So first of all, I guess for people who don't know what the ACLU is, what do you guys do specifically for transgender rights?
Well, broadly, the ACLU of Indiana is the country's foremost legal defender of the Constitution and the Bill of Rights, and we primarily sue the government in order to defend encroachments upon civil rights. That includes for all kinds of people, as well as LGBTQ people and transgender people specifically in this case. We've fought a number of cases, both locally and nationally on LGBTQ rights. Most famously, in Indiana, we were the organization that secured the right to marry in Indiana before that was settled in the Supreme Court at the national level.
So what is your reaction to this ruling in Evansville?
That I'm absolutely elated, especially on a day like today when we're one day before Indianapolis's Pride Parade and Festival, our biggest celebration of LGBTQ people in the state. To get news like this that a federal court has in fact confirmed that transgender people are safe in their schools, that youth will be protected, is just something that makes us all feel amazing.
I guess one thing people don't understand or that they have questions about is, if someone's born a female, why would they not just use the female restroom?
Well, first, we don't use terms like born a female when we're describing transgender people.
Uh-huh.
Transgender boys are boys and transgender women are women and transgender girls are girls. So we do try to avoid that. The boy who was our client is a boy and deserved to use the male restroom.
So we've posted a story on our Eyewitness News Facebook page about this ruling, and a lot of the comments are people saying things like, go to the correct bathroom, or hold it until you get home, or there's no such thing as transgender. What would you say to these people?
Well, it's easy to get sidetracked by comments on social media. Anyone who's transgender only has to look at the comments on any article about us in order to come to some pretty negative conclusions about what people on the internet think, and what maybe that means about what people at large think. But it's my experience that internet comments don't really reflect how people really feel. They certainly disguise a lot of people's humanity. I think that generally people want youth and children to be safe, and this is a case that will make youth and children safer.
So, what message do you think this ruling sends to students who are transgender?
It'll send the message that, a federal district court judge agrees with a common interpretation of Title IX of the law, which says that discrimination of this sort is illegal. Numerous other courts have agreed with this interpretation, and I think this is just one sign the students can start to feel that they are safe and demanding that they be treated fairly and equally like every other student.
So in the case of the EVSC, what do you think they need to make changes, or what would you recommend that they do?
That they respect the gender identity of their students.